welcome to Ramadan Recipes, where we're making savoury and sweet dishes throughout Ramadan for your iftar and for your sehri. Now today we're going to be making strawberry kheer. Now kheer is actually originating in Delhi in India. However, nowadays they're adding more different ingredients, so fresh ingredients like fresh strawberries like we're going to add today. So the ingredients that we need to make kheer include white chocolate, the single cream, the cardamom pods, the green cardamom pods, drained basmati rice, some fresh strawberries, caster sugar and some whole milk. To make the kheer, we're going to start placing the milk and the cream into a pan like so, and this is on a medium. The nutritional value of strawberry kheer is actually quite high if you add in the strawberries. I've done so. You can add in other fruits as well, but I've actually added in strawberries because it contains quite a lot of vitamin C, perfect for keeping your immune system quite healthy. If you want to replace the sugar with something like xylitol or stevia, that's fantastic for making sure your blood glucose levels are quite low. The other thing this contains is high levels of protein from the milk and the cream. The other thing it contains is the rice, and that's packed with fibre, which keeps you fuller for longer and stops you from feeling hungry while you're fasting into the next day. Perfect for having for iftar dessert. So let's have a recap of the ingredients for making strawberry kheer. Let's take another look at the instructions on how to prepare strawberry kheer. Add the milk and the cream into a saucepan on a medium heat and stir with a wooden spoon. Cook for 5 minutes whilst you're stirring. Then add the washed and drained rice, and now add the sugar as well as the cardamom pods and stir whilst cooking on a medium heat for 5 minutes. The sugar should dissolve completely. Bring the mixture to a boil on a high heat for 3 minutes, then immediately lower the heat. Then add the white chocolate, stir and reduce the heat to a low simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the rice is fully cooked through. Now add the strawberries and stir gently on a lower heat. Then leave it to cook for 4 minutes. Serve it either hot or cold. Join me next time for making more recipes, both savoury and sweet. And I hope you've enjoyed making the strawberry kheer with me today. You can actually change up the fruit and make it with different fruits each time, so you have a different type of kheer for your iftar.